Hello friends, today we will see coordinate geometry. As the name geometry is there, that means we will be dealing with the geometrical figures only. Then people say, why the name coordinate geometry? Do you know why it is known as coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is that branch of geometry in which we study geometrical figures with the help of algebra. Very interesting and easy topic. So we are going to study geometrical figures with the help of algebra. Algebra means x, y, z, a, b, c, like that. We will be using these things to designate a point, a straight line, or any geometrical figure in the terms of x and y. Firstly, we have to understand what the basics of coordinate geometry are there. First geometrical figure which is coming in your mind is, tell me, it is a point, the first geometrical figure, and the point is designated as x, y in coordinate geometry. How we just represent this in the graph, in the Cartesian form? That means with respect to x-axis and y-axis. See here, point is x, y. Suppose I am taking easy point 3, 5. Everybody is knowing how to plot it. I know. They will just take 3 here, 5 here and plot here. What is the meaning of that? This means that this distance is 3 and this distance is 5. So the point, this point is the required point, that is 3, 5. Easily we can plot the point accordingly. We know this is first quadrant. Everything is positive. Everything means x and y. Here x is negative but y is positive. Here both x negative, y negative. Here you see here x is positive but y is negative. So if I say the point is -3, -5, where it will lie? Can you tell me? Of course, both the coordinates are negative. So it will lie in third quadrant. You can easily identify. Now, what the name we give to x coordinate and y coordinate? X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. So what is abscissa here? It is 3. What is ordinate here? It is 5. You can easily say. So you can plot a point very easily. If I say some technical questions I am asking, tell me, what is the distance of this point from x-axis? If you just draw the graph, you can easily say it is 5. What is the distance of that point from y-axis? You can easily say it is 3. Now we will see distance between 2 points. Firstly, we understood one point, how to plot, how to interpret it. Now we will study 2 points. That means distance between 2 points. The distance formula, I think most of you might be knowing it or remembering it, is very simple. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. You can easily derive this formula if you just plot the points x1, y1 and another point x2, y2. By geometrical drawing you can get it by Pythagoras theorem. You will see that this is, what is this? This is, total is y1, this is y2, so y1 minus y2, same way x1 minus x2. So apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get the distance between 2 points easily. The important thing is that you just remember that distance between 2 points is given by this formula. See here, if somebody is telling you what is the distance between 3, 5 and 2, 9, can you tell me? Very easy. You just write distance as x2 minus x1. Some people say, why cannot we write x1 minus x2? We can write, because x2 minus x1 square or x1 minus x2 square is same thing. If you say 3 square, it is 9. If you say minus 3 square, it is again 9. So no matter whatever you write, x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, same way you can write, because square is there. So what is coming out here? 3 minus 2, difference of the abscissa square plus difference of the ordinate squares. So you will get the distance between 2 points very easily. What technical things they are putting in the question? They just judge your basic knowledge. They say a point is on x-axis. What does this mean? Any point lying on x-axis, see here, will always have y coordinate equal to 0. So if somebody is saying you a point is lying on x-axis, what you will take? You will take it as a comma 0. You can take it as k comma 0, any variable comma 0. If same way, if somebody is saying you a point is lying on y-axis, what you will take? You will take it as, you know that on y-axis x coordinate has to be 0. So the point will be 0 comma b or 0 comma a, 0 comma c, 0 comma anything. So any point on x-axis, any point on y-axis should be taken in that fashion for approaching the problems of basic things they are asking. Be very careful. One thing I have seen students just confuse x coordinate and x-axis. X-axis is different from x coordinate. X-axis means a line. X coordinate is just a point. I see that students say the point is 2, 9. Students say x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 9. No, it is not. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate. Use the terms appropriately. Once you understand the terms properly, your mathematics is going to be very, very easy. Now another thing we will see 3 points. Firstly we saw 1 point, then we saw 2 points. Now we will see 3 points. That means I am just going to discuss, section formula. What is that? If the join of 2 points are x1, y1, x2, y2 is divided by a point C in m ratio n, we can find the designation, the coordinate of the third point. So the coordinate of this will be m x2. Very easy to remember, I am telling you. You take this side ratio with this side coordinate, this side ratio with that side coordinate. So m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. This is x coordinate of C. How to get y coordinate? I just told you the technique. This side ratio to that side coordinate. So m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. So you can get the coordinate of C very easily by taking the ratio. If the ratio is known, 1:2, 3:4, 5:3, anything is given, you just go through it. The formula you remember, you can find the coordinate of C very, very easily. Suppose I am taking one example. In 1, 2 is there, 5, 7 is there, and a point is dividing in 1:2. I have to get the coordinate of C. What will be that? Tell me. 1 into 5, this side ratio, to that side coordinate plus 2 into 1 by m plus n, that is 3, comma, same way we can get the coordinate of y very easily. Sometimes it is being asked in what ratio point C is dividing the join of A and B, then the process I am telling you to follow. Just take the points A, B and C. The points are known. What ratio it is dividing? We will take the ratio K:1 instead of taking M:n, because that will be little bit of complication. So if you take K:1, you need to find the value of K only, one variable. Some students say, why don't you take M:n? What actually K is standing here? Just see here, if it is M:1, we divide both sides by n, it will be M/n:1, and that M/n I have taken as K. So whatever value of K I am getting is actually M/n. So we can find that easily. So in this basic coordinate geometry, we understood 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. 1 point, how to present distance between 2 points, location of the 2 points, it is on x-axis, y-axis, like that, and the section formula, the point which is dividing the join of 2 points in certain ratio. You just go through these basics, solve the assignments I am giving you, and see the solution I am presenting. You will find yourself very much confident in coordinate geometry. I just recommend usually go through this video for the revision purpose. Once you have completed, not a problem at all. Just go for the revision purpose. Things will be revised. Go for 1 revision, 2 revision, 3 revision, and you will master it. For the time being, okay, thank you.